In this video, I will show you how you can find out the high yield dividend stocks within the Pakistan Stock Exchange. And for that, we will use the two websites. Number one is the PSX website, which is right there on your screens. And they have made it quite easy for you to filter the stocks. For that, instead of going into the detail of what is here, straight away we will move on how to screen these stocks for high dividend yield. So what you have to do is that you need to go onto this market, and from this drop down menu you need to click this stock screener. Here you will see all the stocks that are listed onto the Pakistan Stock Exchange, and you can see that towards the left side is the symbol K Electric. Then they have a market cap, price, current change, 1 year change, and price to earning ratio. Then they have dividend yield percentage, free float, and the 300 volume average. So this is what we are looking for, dividend yield percentage. You can just click this 2 times and all the shares will be filtered by the dividend yield that they are paying. Like this Lal Peer Power Limited is giving a dividend yield of 66.43%. This is how you can find out this high yield dividend stocks. But there is one more site which I want to show you, which I would recommend that you should use alongside the Pakistan Stock Exchange, and that is the website of Sarmaya.pk. On this Sarmaya.pk, what you need to do is that you need to go onto this top menu, and second option is stocks. When you will hover on the stocks, you will get this drop down menu, and in that drop down menu you can see in the valuation column, the third one is the top dividend yield stock. You need to click this, and then in front of you the stocks will be opened in order of the dividend yield. You can see that the first company is the Hubco. It is a power generation and distribution company. The current share price is 115.34 volume. Then they have dividend per share was 30, and in terms of percentage this yield was 43.126. What you can do is that you can right click on this and open this in a new tab, and in the new tab you will see that the Hub Power Company complete page is available. You can see the price graph or price history, day, month, year, and 5 year, 10 years, and 20 years period. So you can just click the 20 years period and see how the price of the share fluctuated in the past. But in order to find out the dividend yield, you need to look this company snapshot. Here you will see that the dividend yield is mentioned here 43.12, and the dividend per share was 30. But you need to come down, and in the investor section you can see that this was the dividend per share. In 2018 they awarded their customers 7.4 per share, 12 and 30 in the trailing 12 months. So dividend yield they gave 8.03 in 2008, 15.06 in 21, and the trailing 12 months 43.12. So in this way you can do the analysis that in few years they did not give the dividend to their shareholders. So the point is that this list can help you to narrow down and find out the sectors and the companies, and then you can open up the page for the each company, find out their past history of how much dividend yield they have paid, so that you can make your decision that whether you want to buy that stock or not. One thing that I have liked in the Sarmaya.pk website is that they have identified the companies which are Sharia compliant by giving a symbol of a green mosque in before each company's name, right? Like here you can see that the EFIT is Sharia compliant, then similarly POL, Angro, and there are other companies. But here you can see that Faisal Bank and these banks, none of the banks is mentioned as Sharia compliant. So what you can do is that you can see how many companies that are Sharia compliant and are giving the best dividend yield. And in here right now you can see that the first company that is giving the maximum dividend yield of 23.05% is EFIT. So we just will open the Angro Fertilizers page, and I'm going to show you their past history of giving the dividend yield. Here you can see it is 23.05, 17.50 was dividend per share, whereas the share price is 144. Past history, consistently they are giving 15.93, 17, 20, 21, 17, 23. So this company in terms of giving the dividends is I think best, and it is also Sharia compliant.